This is Keshav Seshadri here, and I'm going to be teaching JavaScript. Loops are of three types: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So for loop, you have an iterator and a condition, and an increment operator or decrement operator. Then the loop runs till the condition is true. So same way, while loop runs till the condition is true. So this can be used to perform little complicated tasks. Example, like if you want to add 10 numbers, you can use a for loop and I equal to 0 to I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. Now here you can have a add function, right? So you can just add the numbers as it comes. So what you have is sum equal to 0 on top of it. Now what you do is sum equal to sum plus I. Now the value of sum is now the value of all the 10 numbers added together. Arrays are basically continuous memory allocation. So continuous memory allocation meaning you have elements stacked one after the another in the memory. So it is same as how you declare in other languages also, like C++. Here you can declare var name equal to this is an array, and you can initialize the array with values. Example is shown. And you have something called array methods, in which you can perform some tasks using these methods, like concat, join, pop, push. Pop and push meaning, suppose you consider array as a stack, right? Pop meaning you pop the last element out from the array. Push meaning you add an element to the back of the array. This is removing is pop and adding is push. Concatenation is basically joining, and reversing is reversing of the array. Yeah. So, and there's unshift and shift. So just like we add and remove from the back, we can also add and remove from the front using unshift and shift. String type. So in string type also you have various methods like char at, char code at. Say for example you have a string like hello. So char at, say, third position. What is the character? L. L is the character at the third position. So the indexing starts from 0. So 0, 1. So this becomes 2, and this becomes 3. So this is the third character, L. It's again L. And you have replace, split. Replace also, you can replace the string, split the string. All the information on the syntax and how to use these functions can be found in W3 schools and other websites also. Okay, length. So you want to find the length of the string, you can use a length property. And it's not a method. It's a property of the string. Concatenation operator concatenates two strings, that basically joins two strings. Okay, escape sequences you might have learnt in other languages also, like \n meaning a new line, \t, this is a new line, \t, tab space. Yeah, and many more. Accessing the letters of the string can be done using char at, right? Yeah, so this method in the example shown here, say S of 0 fails in IE. In IE meaning Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer, as I've told previously also, Internet Explorer doesn't support latest JavaScript or say some parts of the JavaScript. So you have to like write functions that are uniform to all browsers. Okay, how to split strings? So you can split the string. Say this is the string, the quick brown fox, and you give s.split and a delimiter. What's a delimiter? So in this case, s.split, and it's given quotes with a space. This is a space character. So meaning you split the string with this delimiter. That is, whenever the space occurs, you split the string. So the result is the space, quick space, brown space, fox, right? So the is taken out separately, quick is taken out separately, brown and fox, yeah? Now you can perform more methods, the array method, that is reverse, and again join it. So here you join it using delimiter exclamation mark. So fox exclamation, brown exclamation, yeah. Okay, var and let, right? Till now we have discussed array declaration, not array, any variable declaration using var, right? Var a equal to 5. You can also use let a equal to 5. It's basically same unless a case like this occurs. So var and let, right? Let has a block scope. Block scope meaning this is called as a block. I'll show you clearly. Say this is called a block. Anything declared inside this, say let a equal to 5, the scope of the variable, that is the variable's presence, is within this block, right? So it can't be accessed outside. So that is called as block scoping. And let, so let was having block scoping, var has function scope. Meaning, if you have a function and you can have multiple blocks inside it, but since it's var, the declaration will be valid throughout the whole function. You can have multiple blocks inside, but if it's var a equal to 5, anywhere, so it has the function scope. It is valid throughout the function. Now an example is shown of let and var. Right, so what are the values of console.log a? Console.log basically prints the value of a. Right, so what are the values of console.log a in each of the blocks when using let and using var? So in this case, what is the answer for let and var? Do try it out in the browser. You can open the console in this manner. Say for example, this is a new tab, and you can do Control-Shift-I in Mozilla, or like open the console, then paste, then you can write a JavaScript code over here, var a equal to 5. So this is how you write code inside the console, and you can paste it, right? So do try out this example. So answers for the previous example. Now it is let, right? So it is a block scope. It's valid only inside the, take the innermost block, right? That innermost block has let a equal to 2 and console.log of a. So it prints 2, right? And here also it has, now once it goes outside the block, the scope of the variable 2, when a was 2, is gone. So now a is 1, so it's 2, 1 and 0. right? In function scope, whereas so if you have var a equal to 2 inside the innermost block and you access it outside, it always remains as 2. So the answer is 2, 1 and 0 in using let. This is using let, and using var it's 2, 2, 2.